Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to be doing a DIY at home dermaplaning. Okay. Excuse me. First things first, we're going to be starting with a clean face. Okay, and yes guys, I'm almost out on my cleansing water. Anyway, I'm going to be applying some of that on a cotton round, and I'll just use that to properly cleanse my face. Okay, like I would always say, even if you're just coming out of the bath, it's important to always clean your face with a cotton round and a micellar cleansing water. You guys, before I start to film this video, I had my bath for the second time today. Okay, and by the time I was cleaning my face, I still had dirt on my cotton round. So guys, only washing your face in the shower is not enough to take away dirt from your face. Always go back to clean your face with a cotton round and a micellar cleansing water. Yeah, that's me just showing you guys. Even though you can't see, but it was actually there. It was plenty. Now that we have a clean face, I'm going to proceed to applying this aloe vera gel. Alright, and I'm going to be applying that on my face just before I start shaving. Okay, so I went ahead and applied this in almost all of my face. That was not what I was supposed to do. I was supposed to work in sections. All right, so I apply that on one side of my face, I'll shave my face, and then I'll move to the next portion. Because by the time I was done applying this on my face, when I got to the other side, it was already dry. Okay, so I had to go back and reapply it. Anyways, that's the shaving blade that I'll be using to shave my face. I just picked one from that pack of 3, and I'll just proceed to start shaving my face. Sincere apologies if it sounds like I'm sleepy, guys. I'm actually sleepy. Like it's in the middle of the night, and I just know that I have to finish up this video and upload it overnight, so that by tomorrow morning it's up on my channel already. Anyways, to shave my face, I'm just going to go ahead and stretch out that area. Okay, as you guys can see, I had to use my finger to push my nose to the side. I move my mouth to the side just so that area is stretched. Okay, and I'm just going to do that as soft as I can. Can you guys see the amount of hair I have on my face? Like, that's plenty. That's a lot of hairs. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead to take that off, and I'll clean the blade with a cotton, with the tissue paper. Yes guys, that's just me showing you the amount of hair that I took off my face, just on this part of my face, guys. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and apply some more of the aloe vera gel. Just like I said before, by the time I got to the other side of my face, it was already dried out, so I had to occasionally go back to reapply before I started shaving, just because you don't want to be shaving against a dry skin. Okay, that's not what you want to be doing. Okay, you don't want to break out after you shave. It's always ideal to shave on a very moist skin. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead to extend the shaving to my neck area, because of course I have some hairs there as well. Just going to go ahead and extend that to my neck. So someone might be asking, what is dermaplaning? Why do I have to shave my face and all of that? So dermaplaning is a beauty treatment that you can get done professionally in a spa. Alright, if you're scared to get it, do like a DIY on yourself at home, of course you can walk into any spa and request for a dermaplaning service. So what is the benefits of dermaplaning? First, it helps get rid of dead skin cells, all right, and then it also help get rid of facial hairs. It also help get rid of pitfalls, like those white stuff that's usually all over the face and all. Dermaplaning will also get rid of that, and it ensures that at the end of the procedure you get an even clearer, smoother, and more beautiful skin. Yeah. And personally, I always look forward to getting my makeup done after this procedure because everything just glides smoothly, like the skin prep, they enter. The makeup, the foundation, concealer, everything, like it just glides on smooth. It applies effortlessly, and the overall appearance of my makeup after I shave my face is always worth it. Like it's always flawless, always beautiful. Hi guys, once again welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always stopping by. And if it's your first time here, you're super duper welcome. Do want to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below and also turn on post notification so you get notified every time I upload a new video on here, which is every day. I upload daily videos at 6 p.m. every day, so you want to stick around. Okay, I'm Chinonso Okoronko, a bridal hairstylist, makeup artist, and fashion enthusiast based in Lagos, Nigeria. And on this channel, I film about all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. So after shaving my entire face, this is the amount of hair I got out of my face. My goodness. Anyways, this is what we are looking like right now. Okay, I did go off camera to shapen my brow hairs as well. I really like the outcome. And yeah, this is what I'm looking like. So I went ahead to wash my face thoroughly because after shaving, you'd usually have like hairs all around your face, dead skin cells all around your face. So it's important that you go ahead and give yourself wow you go ahead and give yourself a very good wash. Okay. I opted to air dry my face instead of using my face towel, and that's just what I'm basically doing. All right, so my face is all dry, and this is what we are looking like, you guys. My face feels so good. It feels so soft. Feels like a baby's bum. No cap, guys. So next I'm going to be toning, and I'll be using my Mario Badescu. I'll spray a generous amount of that all over my face and neck, a very good amount of that if I do say so myself. And I'm just going to allow that sink into my face. Okay, yeah. Once my face is like 80% dry, I went in with my Omarico BDU serum. I use this to start my moisturizing process. I'm just gonna apply this all over my face with the dropper, being careful just so that that dropper is not touching my skin. All right, we are very hygiene conscious over here. So I'm just going to drop that all over my face, and I'll properly massage that into my skin. Next, I'll be going into my Omari Code Hydrate Moisturizer, and I'm going to be using a lot of this. Okay, I'm going to be applying a good amount of that on my fingers, both fingers, you guys, and I'll use that to properly moisturize, properly massage that product into my skin, guys. I took my time with this. I made sure I give myself a little skin massage. Why massage why applying this? All right, and I think at some point I went in to get some more of that moisturizer and applied it on my face as well, just because I wanted to have that, well moisturized skin. Because after shaving, I'll usually go in with, a lot of um, skin care products, just so that it's able to um, um, give my skin all the tender loving care that it needs. All right, yeah. After a proper moisturizing process, I'm gonna go ahead and take out all of those ashiness on my lips. And I'm gonna be applying my lip balm all over my entire lips, you guys. And that's basically it, guys. We are done, and you guys, it feels so good. Like, my skin feels so good at this point. Like I said before, my face feels like a baby bomb. No cap. And I feel like I can hear my skin saying, "Thanks, mama." Anyways, I went ahead to brush my hair up, not because I was going out, but because, the drip has to be complete. And that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you learned a thing or two from this video. Hope you like this video. If you do like this video, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share. Alright, and until I see you guys in my next video, stay fab and stay blessed. You guys, I'm still gushing over my skin. Like, look at that glow. Look at that glow. A girl is glowing to Jesus. Hallelujah. Bye, guys. And to be honest, I don't know why I have this big grin on my face.